Welcome to Positive Motivation. This is not just another video. This is not entertainment. This is a wake-up call. And today's video is titled, 5 High-Income Skills That Pay You Again and Again. If you are broke today, if your bank balance scares you, if you feel stuck, confused, or left behind while the world is moving forward, then listen carefully. Because money does not come from luck. Money does not come from motivation alone. Money comes from skills. And the most powerful thing about the skills I'm about to share with you is this. Guide. You learn them once. Guide. They pay you again and again. The guide. No boss. No limits. No expiry date. Let's begin. First, understand this one truth school never taught you how money really works. Jobs train you to survive, not to grow. Degrees give you knowledge, not income. The world does not pay you for how hard you work. The world pays you for how valuable your skill is. If your income is low, it's not because you are useless. It's because your skills are underpaid. And that can change. Today, skill number 1. Communication that moves people. This is the most underestimated skill on earth. If you can speak clearly, if you can write convincingly, if you can explain ideas simply, you will never stay broke. Every high-paying person in the world knows how to communicate. Salespeople close deals because of communication. Leaders build empires because of communication. Content creators earn millions because of communication. You don't need perfect English. You need clear thinking and confidence. Learn how to explain problems, present solutions, speak with clarity, write with emotion. This skill pays you again and again because every business needs it. Every platform rewards it. Every human responds to it. You can use it in freelancing, business, YouTube, coaching, consulting. Communication turns average people into high earners. Skill number 2. High-value digital skills. The internet changed everything. Today, companies don't care where you live. They care about what you can do. High-income digital skills include copywriting, video editing, graphic design, web development, SEO, paid ads management. These skills don't require degrees, offices, big investments. They require learning, practice, discipline. Once you learn one digital skill, you can work from home, earn in dollars, choose your clients, increase your rates. And the best part? Your skill improves with time, not age. While others fear getting older, your income grows stronger. Skill number 3. Sales and persuasion. Money moves only when decisions are made. And decisions are influenced by persuasion. Sales is not cheating people. Sales is helping people decide. If you can sell a product, a service, an idea yourself, you become unstoppable. Every business survives because of sales. Every startup dies without sales. Learn human psychology, emotional triggers, problem-solving language. Sales skills pay forever because every economy runs on sales. Every company needs closers. Every entrepreneur must sell. You may hate sales today, but sales will love you back with money. Skill number 4. Personal branding. In the old world, companies hired you. In the new world, people follow you. Personal brand means your name has value. Your voice has influence. Your presence creates trust. When people trust you, they buy from you, they hire you, they listen to you. You don't need millions of followers. You need real connection. Share your journey, your lessons, your struggles, your growth over time. Your brand becomes your asset. Even if you stop working one day, your name keeps working for you. That's how this skill pays again and again. Skill number 5. Learning how to learn. This is the skill behind all skills. Technology will change. Jobs will disappear. Markets will crash. But the person who can learn fast will always survive. If you master learning, you adapt faster. You upgrade skills. You stay ahead. The rich are not smarter. They just learn faster and act quicker. Train yourself to read daily, watch educational content, apply knowledge, improve constantly. This skill compounds like interest. Small effort today, massive rewards tomorrow. Why these skills pay you again and again? Because they are transferable, evergreen, in-demand, scalable. You don't trade time for money. You trade value for income. Once your value increases, money follows naturally. If you are broke right now, listen carefully. Being broke is not shameful. Staying broke because of fear is. You don't need motivation every day. You need commitment once. Choose one skill. Give it 6 months. Practice daily. Ignore noise. Your life will not look the same. Final message from Positive Motivation. You were not born to struggle forever. You were born to grow. Skills are the bridge between where you are, where you want to be. If this video helped you, like it, share it, subscribe to Positive Motivation because this channel is not about temporary hype. This channel is about permanent change. Remember, learn once, earn again and again. This was Positive Motivation. See you in the next video.